Hey everybody, I'm here. Thank you for waiting so patiently. Thank God. That was the longest 31 minutes. Thank you guys for waiting so patiently. So we are ready to get right into it. I hope you have your notepads. Everyone has their laptops up. We're going to roll through this. I am Arletta. My name, I'm the Friendly Trader. Of course, you guys know that. Some of you guys have talked to me on the phone. I am very hands-on. I do this because I love it. I am a professional day trader. Let me tell you real quick, we've made a couple $1 million of day trading. We also lost $1 million of day trading. I didn't. My husband did. He's my partner, Coach Trent. You guys will see him normally in person. And if you start trading really and you're serious about it, then he will be the one that will coach you along the way. I'm more the intro. Of course, I taught him how to day trade. So I'm on the teaching end, but he's actually a really good support coach. I'm not. I'm a Gemini. I'm impatient. So once I teach you and go over something with you a few times, Trent is the one that'll kind of make sure you stay on track. So I just want to let you know that the first year trading, we made $1.3 million in 11 months. And then within 6 months, my husband took almost a $900,000 loss and then lost another $100,000 trying to get it back. So when I tell you guys, we had to almost start over. And when I tell you to take it slow, I mean take it slow. When I say listen to me, listen to me. We've made a lot, lost a lot, and made it back twice over. If I tell you can take $100 and turn it into $400, why do you think I know that? I know that because I've done it. If I tell you could take $1,500 and turn that into almost $6 million, you can do that. But it takes patience and it takes time. It's not coming overnight. I don't care who you've been listening to. Listen to me. I'm 55 years old. We don't have time to play on this app. I'm already coming on here teaching you guys for free. The least you can do is just listen to this. I'm excited to have you all here. I'm ready to rock and roll with you. If you have any questions, please DM me. I'm pretty efficient at getting back to you. Normally, if I go to bed, I'm in the bed kind of early, but just listen. I'm going to respond back. Hey, everybody. Hey. I hope that was a quick rundown. Of course, I'm going to be on here going live in the mornings at 10:30, Monday through Friday. And the purpose of being on live at 10:30 is for the people who are currently in trades, who have not gotten in a trade yet. And maybe I can help walk you through it. In the evenings, we will go over techniques and strategies, and I'll teach you things about the market along the way. Learning how to day trade is not an easy process, but I'm going to try to simplify this as much as I can and make it more palatable to you. You get it? See, when I started, it was information overload. I was all over the place. I don't know what this iron corridor is. I don't know what this order block is, and what's this? Too much. Quiet it down, and that's what we've been able to do. We use Robinhood as a form to teach you how to trade, and we do that because it's so user-friendly. And regardless of what people say, Robinhood has been good to us. It does have a few little kinks, but because it's so user-friendly and easy, I'm fine with it. We've had millions of dollars in Robinhood and still continue to have money in Robinhood. We don't have any problem with them. Now, I would suggest Webull is good. I don't teach on Webull, but if you have Webull, you'll be great on that. We have these are brokerage accounts, just in case you don't know. I'm going to explain all this to you as we go through this today. I'm going to hold your hand through this. So we use Robinhood to trade, and the charting system we use is Think or Swim, and it is powered by Charles Schwab. So that is another brokerage account. All right, so that's out the way. So let's start over. Hello, everybody. Let's get to it. What you're going to learn today is you're going to learn what day trading is. Is it for you? How do we make money? What our strategy is? Set up your charts so that you're ready to paper trade. Your paper trade for 5 days. 5 days. You're going to leverage $100 after that. If you're on board with me and you want to take $100 to $400 in $400,000. $400,000 in 12 months. If you want to get on this journey, say I want to get on a journey and I'm going to commit to it, but I want you to commit for 1 year. Now, you don't owe me a dime. You owe me a dime because I got the knowledge and God bless me, and I'm coming on here and I'm going to help you guys regardless. I'm going to show up every day, well, Monday through Friday. Y'all know I like to eat. I like a cocktail. I like an experience. So just know that I'm going to be here. All I need for you to do is show up. All right. If you're committed to showing up, not giving up, you're not perfect. The market's not perfect. I didn't say you're going to have a perfect trading career. The strategy that we use, it is about a 70-30% success rate if you do it the right way. That means out of 10 trades, you may lose 3. And that is okay. Losing is part of trading. But I believe in risk management. This is why we teach a 5% profit strategy. You're going to take 5% profit every day, which compounds to 100% per month. Okay, count me in. I see it a little bit. I put my glasses on. You're working on during the day. Yeah, you can still learn, of course. You can definitely still learn. For you, if you're working during the day, you may have to do something like swing trading or do leaps, and I'll explain that probably next week. We'll go into the different types of day trading. Okay, Tanya, I love that you're ready. Hey, Angie, that's my girl. So anyway, I want to make sure that you guys stay on point and stay committed to the process. 5% every day, and if you get in a losing trade, I want you to get out at negative 2.5. Write this down. If I'm talking too fast, let me know. I'm so excited. I was waiting to come talk to y'all. But negative 2.5 is where we get out. All right, so let's start. Let me tell you about day trading. If you don't know what day trading is, I'm going to simplify it real easy. That means we don't own the stock. We trade stocks that we don't own. We just have a right to sell the stock at a certain price for a certain amount of time. And those stocks, they have expiration dates. Now, as a stockholder, as a stock investor, I mean, when you buy stocks, you are a stockholder. So if you buy shares of Google, you are a stockholder. If you trade shares of Google, you are a day trader. And there are different types of day trading. You can be a scalper. They're in and out in seconds. You can be an intraday trading, which is what we do, and I'm going to teach you how to do that. We're in and out the play the same day, but it may not be seconds. It may be 30. It could be a minute. It might be 6 minutes, but no more than maybe 15 minutes in a play, and you're out. Your expiration is the same day or the next day. That is day trading. All right? That's kind of what we do. And then we can go into swing trading. Swing trading would be for people who may not have time to watch the market every day, but they have a little bit more money that they can risk or leverage, and it buys them time, meaning your expiration date may be 3 months out. If, for example, we trade the S&P 500, that is also known as a SPY, and SPY right now is $626. Well, when I trained some students about a month ago, I told them, hey guys, SPY is going up to 613. So at that time, SPY was 579. Well, you could have done a swing on that, swung your expiration date out 2 months or 3 months, and been able to capitalize on that. I'm still in that position, and I swung mine out to August, and I did a small position. I think I'm up like $8,000 in it. So, and I'm going to stay in it because it's still going. But that is called swing. And then you have leaps, L-E-A-P. A leap is when it's more than 12 months. And there are people right now, they get into leaps. A lot of hedge funds do it. Your bank is doing it with your money. Okay. So if you got your money sitting in a savings account, oh God, a traditional savings account, I'm going to help y'all with that too. It needs to be in a high yield savings. Otherwise, you're just making a lot of money off you. That is another day. That's why you got to tune into these lives every evening, because I'm putting y'all on game. You know, I just don't want you to make money. I want to teach you how to grow your money. Because in 1 year, a lot of y'all, if y'all hang in here, you're going to have $1 million or $500,000. And then you're going to know what to do with it. Don't worry about it. I got a breakdown for you. I tell you how to put it into, build your portfolio, how to invest in businesses. We own truck parking lots. You understand? So this thing can be big for you. But you got to start small. And be patient and hang in here and don't give up. That's all I need you to do is not to give up. Okay, so now you know what day trading is. You day trade options. Some people do Forex. Some people trade futures, right? There are different types of day trading. We're trading options. Got it? Now, each contract, when you're day trading, we call those contracts. Or what are you doing? You're buying contracts. Remember, I told you earlier, you don't own the stock. You have to buy a contract. You go into contract. And each contract is worth 100 shares of a stock. Now, when we set up these charts, I'm going to show you what that looks like. I'm going to show you what it looks like when you buy a contract. But just write this note down, all right? Because you're going to need it later. So now we know what a regular stock is. A regular stock is just when you buy it and you own it and you're a shareholder. And then you know what day trading is. Now, it's more formal than this. It's a lot. You can get a lot more formal. I told you I'm here to break it down to you. You can go back and Google the rest. But if you just want it straight, what I need to do, what this really means, this is what our letter does. Now, the second thing we want to talk about, I think I told you about the 5%. We take 5%. We leverage that every day. That's what we get. 5% a day is 100% a month. Now, you tell me, where do you get 100% return a month? Right now. Show it to me. Anybody? Because I want to know. Can you do it? Yes, you can do it on your phone. You can trade on your phone, but I prefer to have my laptop with me for charting. But once you get really good, some people do trade. They trade on their phone. They'll go back and forth from the charts and then enter their play. It depends. Like if you're on Webull, you can easily trade on your phone. No, that's right. Quiet Storm. Nowhere. Your savings account right now. Call your bank tomorrow. Ask them. Google your bank and see how much your savings, how much interest you make. I guarantee it starts with a zero. So your money, if you have 500, 2,000, 10,000, 50,000 in your bank account, you're getting cheated. It needs to be in a high yield savings account. More or less, it also needs to be in a brokerage account. And I'll talk to you about it if you want to know about that, but I'm going to keep it, stay on track right here. But yeah, you, once you just take 5% a day, that's 100% a month. 100% a month. That means if you leverage $500 at the end of 20 trading days, that's 1 month, you will have another 500. And then you put those two together, now you got 1,000. So that following month, you're going to leverage $1,000. And at the end of that month, you'll have what? Another 1,000. So now you have $2,000. You got it? And then that following month, you're going to leverage that 2,000, and then you got $4,000. So you see already just in a couple of months, you went from just the 500 to now you got $4,000 and $8,000. And we're going to compound that all the way, all through the year. So right now, my people started with $100. In 6 months, you'll have $6,400. Y'all need to bring this up so you can see it. Well, that's what I get for having props. I'm not in my office, I'm at home, but let me see. Can y'all see that? Now, I only want you to start with $100. Don't worry about that $1,500. Just stick with this one. Ooh, I gotta rewrite it. But you see the numbers, right? So this is what I want from y'all. I'll put this over. I want you to start with $100. I want you to commit to the $100. I want you to let that $100 right now, it's only $5 a day. Cool. Then I want you to get to being able to make $10 a day. And then I want you to be able to get to making $20, then $40, then $80. This comes with, over the time, guess what you're doing? Discipline, learning your strategy, getting used to the losses if they are. Guess what the losses are going to be? A $2 loss, an $8 loss. You're not losing $832,000 like my husband. All right? You're moving really slow and you're allowing this. Oh, flip the screen. Oh, Lord. Now, you know what? Girl, don't make me feel slow. Y'all know I've only been on this app 2 weeks. How to flip the screen, girl. Thank you for suggesting it. I don't know how to flip the screen, but I'm gonna figure it out. What's her name? Chanel? Girl, tell me how to flip the screen. Look, I said I know how to make money. I didn't say I was perfect on this TikTok and all this other stuff. I don't know how to do that, but I can show you how to make this money. But tell me how to flip the screen. And I don't know nothing. I'm on here not knowing nothing but just how to teach y'all how to get this money. All right, so let's get to it. Everybody ready to commit? You're going to commit to 12 months? Yeah, Alicia, you funny. I'm funny. If you're going to commit to 12 months, let's get started. Who all has their Robinhood account set up? Yay! I'm so excited, y'all. I'm telling you, we're about to ride. And I'm going to help y'all figure this out, too. Put the glasses on so you know I'm serious now. Okay, everybody's ready. Me, Webull. Not yet. Miriam, you ain't ready? Y'all not ready? All I got is time. I have Webull. Okay, so my Webull people, if you guys can connect together. Hey, Jazz, if y'all can connect together to help each other with this Webull, I'm just going to teach you the strategy and how to chart. So right now, Robinhood, Let's see. Everybody's set up. Can I go ahead with a Robin Hood illustration? Let me know if I can. I'll give it a few minutes. Yes, yes, yes. Ready for Robin Hood. Now, the reason why I'm going to show you what Robin Hood is, everybody's ready. Everybody ready? Okay, let's do it. I'm going to, now, Jamia, where you at? Thank you, Jamia. Girl, I don't know how to flip the screen yet. So, I'm about to be good in country and hold it up like this until I know how to flip this screen. But when I flip this screen, I'm going to be bad, okay? Somebody please tell me how to flip the screen. So go to Robinhood. Let's everybody go to your Robinhood account. We're going to start from scratch. I want to make sure you guys are set up for options trading. This should take us all about... Girl, Shay Lovely, I don't know how to flip this screen. Hold on. Wait a minute. Wait. Don't make me feel slow. Hold on. Girl, I don't know how to flip the screen. Somebody show me how to do it. Okay, Lobby, you set up. Please flip the screen. Shay Lovely, girl, show me how to flip it. So now this is gonna turn to a course for our letter, learning how to flip the screen, and I'm gonna feel so slow. I bet it's so easy. I bet it's so easy once I learn how to flip it. Anybody? Okay, everybody set up. So I'm just gonna keep going. Once you have it, you're on Robinhood now. Let's go to our main screen. Your main screen should say investing. You got it? Once you get to the investing screen, there's an icon at the bottom. You should see a little icon, like a person, right there at the bottom. Click on that icon. Once you click on the icon, at the top left part of this screen, you'll see a drop-down bar, 3. Click on that. Once you click on that, click on investing. Once you click on investing, I want you to scroll all the way up, continue to scroll until you get to where it says 2 things first. It's almost at the bottom. It will say account type. I need you to change your account type from margin to cash account. Stay with me. I need everybody's accounts to be on a cash account, not margin. Now, if you have it on a margin account, to keep that, you need $25,000 or more at all times in this account. All right? If you don't have $25,000, do not switch to a margin account. Next time I'm gonna set up in my office. The lighting was just so much better in this kitchen. I'm on a MacBook. Okay, we're on Robinhood, so I need you to have that downloaded on your phone. Download Robinhood on your phone, or maybe your MacBook. I don't know how the Mac is real funny. A new season for me. See if you can download it on your phone. You have on your cell phone, the Robinhood app. Everybody else is good. New season for me. If you don't see it, don't worry about it. I'll go over it with you even tomorrow after this live. I can help you do it. Okay, so now have you all switched over to a cash account? So switch that from margin to cash account. And that, if you have it on a cash account, this is going to allow you to trade unlimited with no problem. Share your screen. Shay Lovely. You got to tell me how to share the screen. I don't know how to do it. Do I hit enhancement or anything? Does anybody know how to do this? I learn. The only thing about learning, I got to be live when I learn. Okay, so once we have it, let's make sure it's switched to a cash account. I'm assuming everyone is on a cash account. Now that you're on a cash account, I need you to scroll up to where it says enable options. I want to make sure you're already, if you're not able set up for options, this is where you do it. For those of you that are already set up for options, this is how it should look on your screen. And when you go to your browser and type in SPY, wait, Nikki, can you show me? Or am I going too fast? Shay Lovely, I don't know how to share my screen. Y'all got it? Hi Houston Realtor. I'm glad you're in here, girl. Okay, make sure you go to SPY. See it? Once you type in SPY, it should say trade at the bottom. You see that? It should say trade. If yours doesn't say trade and it says buy, can I see your screen again? Yeah. If it doesn't say trade, when you type in SPY and it only says buy, that means you're not set up. Because someone in the chat put up, she said to do until changing the options. I said you need to change it to a cash account. Make sure you're trading out of a cash account on Robinhood. If not, thank you, Lava, you're set up. If not, it's going to hit you with a thing called pattern day trading, and you only will be able to trade 3 times per 5 business days. And if you try to trade that 4th time, they're going to give you a warning. That 5th time, they're going to block your account for 90 days. So it's imperative that you, the enabled options is on it's imperative that you guys go to a cash account. Now, if you need to enable your options, you need to start from the beginning, go to your main page. There's an icon at the bottom, looks like a little man. Click him, bottom right. When you click him, then there's 3 lines on the top left of that page, drop down bar. Click that. Once you click that, you will click on investing. You'll see that investing tab. Once you see that, you scroll until you see enable options. That right there will take you to set up your account. When you, listen to me, if y'all don't hear me with nothing else, when you set up this account to get approved for options, don't tell them people you don't have no experience, because they're going to say no. Then they're going to make you take a test. So no, tell them you have I got a little experience, because as of today, you do have it. I'm going to teach you what calls and puts and all that is today. So you have experience. So don't go over there telling them that you have no experience, or they're going to deny your application. And also, don't tell them you make $30,000 a year. You got to make a little more than that. Now, don't go crazy, but a little more than $30,000. Google what the average American makes. Okay. All right. So now everybody's set up. So if you're set up, I'm going to keep going. And for those who have questions, put the questions in the chat. DM me. I already have it. Come on, Nika. That's great. We moving in. The people that got it, we're moving. The people that don't worry about it. I'll be back here tomorrow. You can DM me. I got you. I told you we're going to do this every day. Every day we're going to set this up. And then don't tell them. Oh, you're right, girl. That's right. Don't tell them you're professional. You're not professional. And also tell them you don't know anybody that's in the market, that's selling, that trading. You don't know none of that. You don't know the profession. You're not professional. And you want to be moderate with everything. If they ask you, do you want to, I'm medium. Can you trade options? Yes. What experience? 1 to 2 years. You used to invest in? Yes. Just a little bit. Always, a little bit. Just know enough, but never say no. Okay. So once you guys get in here, I'm gonna show you what this looks like. I want you to click on trade. Everybody follow me. We're gonna type SPY in the search bar and go to SPY. Once you see that, for my people that already got their account set up for trading, we're gonna click on trade. And once you click on trade, it's gonna look like that. I promise you, I'm gonna learn how to flip this screen around, okay? I don't know it today, but I'm gonna know it. I'm gonna know it. Shaylee, you're supposed to help me, girl. Okay, then click trade options. Once you click trade options, this is what it looks like. You're going to have dates at the top. Those are your expiration dates for your contracts. Thank you, Keishelle, my friend. Thank you. Y'all going to make me cry now. Shay, are you going to do it? You going to help me? Okay, so those are your expiration dates. I want you to click on July 11th. This is just an example. I'm going to back up and teach y'all a lot more. I'm walking you through the process, and then we're going to go over terms. You're going to write down definitions, okay? And then we're going to go over what the charts look like. We're going to set up our charts. We're going to draw our indicator. We're going to do our trend lines today. We working today. May have an option to mirror when you have a chance. Ooh, Okay, I need to try that too. I don't know about this. Y'all teaching me. If I can mirror, I'm with all that. And if anyone wants to come on here that knows and can flip their screen to go with me, I'm with it. Let's help the people out. Okay, so we're going to click on July 11th. Once you click on the date, that's your ending contract. July 11th, you'll see buy, sell at the top, and call and put. Now let me explain to you. Buy and call means the same thing. So you don't have to worry about the buy part. I want you to be concerned with the calls and puts. When you're trading, you're only doing two things. The market's going up or down. If it goes up, it is called a call, C-A-L-L. Call means up. Write this down. Call also stands for green. When you see the green, call also is also another word for it is long, L-O-N-G. There's another terminology for it. Bull. So if you hear people say, oh, it's a bullish market, you're moving too fast. I'm moving too fast. Okay. Listen, I want to do this every day. Catch a little bit, what you can. I want to slow down a little. I know it's already 8:30. I don't want to have y'all on here so long. Hey y'all. But I got you. I hear you. NY, I hear you. That's right, Big Mouth. Come every day. I'm going to go over this every day. I'm going to go over this every day. It's just new to you right now. But I will slow down a little bit. Thanks for coming. So a call, again, write this down. Call is green. Call is up. Call means long. Call means bullish. So if I ask you guys right now, is the market going, if I say the market's going up, it's a green day in the market. What else does that mean? Can someone drop down in the chat and tell me what that means? If I say the market is green today, what's another word other than going up? Yeah, call. Bullet. Come on, y'all. Oh! Y'all gonna make me dance in here. Okay, perfect. So now I need you to know what a put is. P-U-T, long, that's right, bullish, come on. I'm a dance. Y'all gonna make me dance. Okay, so now we're gonna do put. Put is the opposite. Put is known for going down. It's also red. So when you see red on the charts, it's going down. It also means short. You ever hear people say, oh, they're short in the market. They're gonna short the market. Short, there you go. Come on, Mel. Short is bearish. That's right. Yes, that's right. Bears attack from the top. That's how I do. If you think about a bear, when they attack like that. A bull goes up. So when we say put, it's red. It means down. It means short. And it means, I did them all. Okay, so good. Thanks, Angie. Great. So now we got that down pat. You're either going to be entering a call or a put every day. That's it. Don't overcomplicate it. Now, to show you how you make your money, you will buy contracts. See these contracts? The price of the contracts are right here in this red bubble. Let me know that you guys see this red bubble. That is the price of your contract. Now, you only want to spend $100 or less when you start trading. Now, these contracts look like 42 cents, 71 cents, $1.13. But remember back when I told you guys, one contract is worth 100 shares. So really 42 cents is not 42, it's 42 times 100. So it's $42. When you see 71 cents over here, that 71 cents, that's $71. That $1.13, that's $113. That's right, 42. Come on, Shaylee. That's right. So if you had to pick a contract right now, if I said, listen, for example, the market is, I'm looking at it right now. I'm live in the market. Let me see. Okay, the market is down. Hold on, give me a second. Oh yeah, it dropped. But it's trying to go up just a little bit. Okay, the market is definitely going down. Lower a letter. So we're gonna play a put. So I want you to click put, the top of your screen. Click put, guys. Now it's not gonna let us trade because the market is closed. Market closes at 4 o'clock every day. We're able to trade 9:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. We only trade between 9:30 and 11:30. Write that down. That's prime time. 9:30 to 11:30. That's when we wait for our setups. If we don't see our setups by then, we don't trade that day. Okay. So now let's do a put. Click on put at the very top of your screen between there. Let's find us a contract for $100 or less. So come on, guys, let's find us a contract. Let's see. Now, we're looking to the far right part of your screen. Yes, Mel, 9:30 to 11:30. What contract do you see that you can afford? Let me know. Does it say the 55-cent one, the 77-cent one, the $1, $109 one? Which one is it? Which one would you choose? Y'all you get this. You're gonna paper trade tomorrow if you can get this. No worry. Okay, Quiet Storm, $1.77, 624. Yep, that's right. That's right. 55%. Perfect. Okay, Donna, you're on Central Time. Got it. That's right. 8:30 to 10:30. 77. Got it. Okay, so y'all got that down pat. Great. So now what we're going to do, if you're going to paper trade, you'll simply tap the middle of the screen. You'll tap it right here. If you're going to enter a real trade, you're going to hit this plus sign. All right. So let me show you all how to do a paper trade first, because this is what I want y'all to do. It's paper trade for 1 week. And then we're going to go back out and we're going to show you how to do a real trade. None of them will go through. The real trade won't go through because the market closed. But at least you'll see it. Now at 10:30 in the morning, when you guys show up at 10:30, we can do real trades. You see what I'm saying? That's why you got to come back twice a day. So in the mornings, you get to go in. What was the question? Oh, the question was finding your contract for under $100. And everybody pretty much knows what platform we're on. Well, I use Robinhood to trade. I use Thinkorswim for charting, which is powered through Charles Schwab. Okay, y'all, let's pick our contract. I'm going to go with the one that says 109. Yeah, it's moving so fast. I'm going with the 109. It's a $625 put. I'm going to click on 109. So let's click the middle of the screen. And now it should look like this. Once you click the middle of that screen, it should look like this. I'm going to turn all my lights off. Be here like I'm in the love zone. Got it? Okay, you got it. Perfect. Need to open an account. What's the C? What's the CS account? Okay. So once you do that, I want you to click Add to Watch List. Once you add this to watch list, you will be in a paper trade. Got it? I'm going to go ahead and do it. And then you click open right there at the bottom. As soon as you add to watch list, you click open. Guess what? We're in a paper trade now. You're in a paper trade, and I'm going to show you. You just scroll up. Just scroll up just a little bit, and here's your position. This, let me know when you all get it. Say you're in paper trade. Just say paper trade. Let me know you're in the paper trade. Because I'm going to keep going. Now with this paper trade, it tells you everything. Let me break it down. It tells you how many contracts you have. It tells you how much money you spent on it. It says cost when added. So that cost when added, I got to learn to flip this screen. Cost when added is what you paid for it. Current cost. You don't see the paper. No, you're not going to see the paper trade. You have to actually go in it. You got it, Shayla. Didn't know you could pay. Yeah, see? You learned something today. Mine didn't open. I'm sure it did. I'm going to show you how to, what's that? Academic, Dominique. I'll show you how to find it. You have to go out to the main page to find it. All right? And I'll send you, do I hit buy? No. You do not hit buy. Don't hit buy. You just tap the middle of your screen. Tap the middle of your screen. Don't hit buy. Okay, once you get there, your paper trade is going to tell you how much you pay for your contract, what the current price is. And if you go to the middle of that screen, it'll say today's return. You see that? Today's return will show you how much you've made or lost and what your percentage is. So when I say you need to get 5% a day, this is where it's going to be. When I say if you're in a trade that's losing, when it says negative 2.5 or negative 2.8, you'll get out right there. This is where you see that. I'll help you all. We'll go back over it, okay? Tap the middle of the screen. Come on, Chase. Thank you, Chase. Chase is already in here. Chase has been following me just a week, I think, and Chase already is doing well in the market. So Chase Slaughter, you all show him some love. He's amazing. I appreciate you, Chase. Yes, I'm making 5% on each trade, Tiger. I only trade once a day. Listen, one shot, one key. I don't do it. Okay. Oh Lord, I hope I said the wrong word. Lord, let her. I just go in. Sorry, I just came in. Yes, we're all on Robinhood. Thank you. That is a good strategy. It works. That strategy works. So it's called, I call it risk management. All right. Okay. So we got it. We're in the paper trade. Now, this is how you will enter. You'll do this for a whole week, in and out. Now, to get out, you just go up here and exit. You'll hit the X. Hit X. We're out. And then here, say remove from watch list. See it? Remove from watch list. And now you're out of the play. Now, for those of you who did not see it, if it doesn't open and add it, the option will pop up. Now, for this, thank you, Donna, for shouting out Chase. So let's go back out to the main screen. X out, X all the way out. Hit your arrow. We're going to the main screen. Arrow out, arrow, until you get to where it says investing. When it says investing, scroll up and you'll see something that says options watch list. Oh, you see it now? Okay. Was this? Yes, SPY. Yes, SPY, Donna. This is specific to SPY. You'll see watch list. That's where you'll find your position. You'll actually just swipe left. You just swipe left off the page. On that play, just swipe left and you'll be out of it. Okay, so you think you're clear? You want to go back over that? Or now we can show you how to actually get in a real trade. I can walk you through it. It's cinnamon, yeah. I can walk y'all through it. Oh, extremely new. I started reading the candle. I can walk y'all through it. Oh, extremely new. I started reading the candlestick. I can definitely do another, easy 30 minutes. And then tomorrow pick up and add more. So what I'll do every day is recap and add more, recap and add more, recap and add more. So you'll be getting it not at such an overload. It won't be such an overload, but it'll be continual learning. And you'll be on the job training because you're going to be in the market. Okay, so let's do it again. Someone wants us to do it one more time, and then we'll go into a real trade. Right? So you understand what a call and put is. We just did what we do put. This time we're going to do a call, paper trade. So let's go. Let's hit it. So you're going to start at the top. You go from your main screen. You hit the search bar. Type in your stock, which is SPY. We trade S&P 500 and sometimes QQQ. S&P 500, for those that don't know, it's an ETF, exchange trade fund. It has a bag of stocks in it, like an umbrella. And it has the top 500 companies in the United States, the top 500 most successful companies. So you got Amazon, Google, Meta, Nvidia, Netflix, oh my God, everything, Walmart, United Health, they are all under the umbrella of the S&P 500. And it is volatile. So it's always going to move between $1 and $5, sometimes $6 a day. The key to that, we're not going to learn this today, but I want you to be familiar with this. For every $1 that the stock moves in your direction, you can make $100 if you're in the money. We trade out of the money contracts because they're cheap and they're only $100. So we won't make 100. We may make $5 or $6 or $8. Sorry, you glitched. Would you mind saying your thoughts again on the candlestick? I will. I'll tell you about nothing's wrong with it. You need the candlesticks. You need it. That's important. You gotta learn the candlesticks, but we'll go over that. Okay, so back to where we were. So I got you, girl. SB, I got you. All right. We going on in. We're gonna pick our stock. We're gonna do a call this time. All right. So once you type in SPY, That's why we trade the SPY. It's volatile. It moves. It's going to give you what you need every day. You get in and get out. Once you click on that, it should say trade, not buy. It should say trade. Let's click on trade. Right there, it's going to say buy and trade options. That's how you know you're approved for options trading. Now let's click on trade options. Let's click on July 11th. We're going to choose our date at the top of the screen. That's tomorrow's date. Now we're going to click call. We're just going to do a call. Click on call and let's find us a contract. The current price of the stock will always similarly be in the middle of the screen. So now we know SPY right now is moving around at $622. I told y'all that thing dropping. I'm looking at the chart. It is just falling. Yeah, so it wouldn't be smart to do a call right now. It's smart to continue to do a put, but since we're paper trading, we're just gonna go ahead and do that. So let's find us a contract under $100. So let's find us a contract, guys. The contract price to the far right, it's in the green bubble. It needs to say $1, 1.00 or less. So 0.99, 0.88, 0.77. Okay, Chase, you see yours at 71? Let's see. I'm going with Chase. I like the 71 or I like the $113. I might, do a little bit over that. So let's just go with the $71 call. You click the middle of the screen. Right here. You see it? You click right here, not right here. When you want to get in a real trade, you'll click the plus sign. When you want to get in a paper trade, you're going to click right here. Okay, so click in. It's going to say, I'm already in the play. And there you go. I went too fast for mine. That's okay, I'm going back out. So is everybody in it? We're in the paper trade. And there you go. Now, let me tell you, if you did the call, let me show you how, look how it's already losing money. You see this, guys? Can y'all see that? Let me know if you can see it. And did you get in that paper trade with us? I told you I was still going down. So right now, I want you to see how fast the market moves and how quick you can lose your money. This paper trade is already negative $13. It's negative 15%. So no way, Jose, would you be in this position. Did you hit add? I did. I hit add to watch list. Did anybody else get in it? And if you did, tell me, are you negative in the play? Tell me what you are. What's your percentage? What's your total today's return? Robinhood. You need to be on Robinhood, and you'll need Thinkorswim for your charts, which is powered by Charles Schwab. You guys see it? Does anybody, can you tell me what your total return says now? You see that? Zero. Yours say zero? Huh. Mine is negative. So now we'll go ahead and exit this. Oh, that's right, Shayla. See you down there. That's more like it. That's more like a negative because the play has continued to go down. So now we'll get out of this. You won't ever stay in it when it's like this. So you just go ahead and exit. Hit the top arrow going out. We'll exit this play right here. And then you can swipe it off the screen. Swipe left and you're out. Okay, so now we're going to do a real trade. That's right, Jaws. That's right, negative. So let's get out of that. Go ahead and get out of that paper trade. And we're going to do a mock real trade. It won't let us go but so far because the market is closed. So let's go back in. Pull up SPY again. Search bar. SPY should pop up. You want to hit trade. You want to hit trade options. Pick July 11th. We're going to do a put. Hit put. And now we're going to hit that plus sign. So let's find us a contract for under $100. I see the same one at 77 cents. So let's do that, or you can do the one for 109. Got it? I'm probably gonna do the 109 because that's closer to $100. All right, so we're gonna click the plus sign in that bubble. When you click the plus sign, this is how your screen should look. Got it? You will type in how many contracts you want. Now, you don't have to just get one contract. As you get better at this and when you start leveraging more money, again, when your account has $800 in it, or when you have built your account up to like $1,500 or $2,000, sometimes you may just do 10 contracts at $100. Same thing. Or you may do one contract and spend $1,200 on that one contract. It just depends on you. You may want to be closer to the stock. You may want to be in the money, or you prefer to stay out of the money. Out of the money plays is lower risk, lower reward. In the money plays, more expensive, more risk, but higher reward. Okay? Got it. So right here, we'll type in one contract because that's all we're doing. And it's going to tell you how much. One contract for $109. And you would simply hit review. And once you hit review, you would swipe up. You will be in the play officially. Got it? That's how you enter a play. Now, I also have videos that I show you how to get in and out. But if you come live with me at 10:30 in the mornings, I can... No, this boy is not sending me stuff knowing I'm live. Boy, I tell you, that's my husband. Do you have to be... No, you don't. You don't know. Don't build... You want to be level 2. Do not apply for level 3. We're not doing spreads. We're not doing spreads at all. I don't know what that means, guys. I'm going to learn what all this stuff is. Something, all these hearts and stuff. That's so cute. You live trade on TikTok. 10:30. 10:30, we do live trading. I'll be out of my trade. I'm going to tell you that now. Because I'm going to show you guys this system that we use. We trade, we use the orb strategy. And so I wait for my breakout. So we got it? Everybody cool with knowing how to paper trade? Okay, sounds like y'all got that down packed. So we're going on. So let's go to our charts. So what I'm going to cover today, we understand what a call is. We know what a put is. We know what the contracts are, correct? We know what the expiration dates are. Got that? Good. Now we're going to go to next. There you go, Shaylee. We're going to the strategy. The strategy we use is called the ORB. ORB. Open range. Come on, Donna. We do the 15-minute open range breakout and the 5-minute. Question, how much should a $100. YO sneak, whatever, 100. No more than 100. Open range breakout, yes. Now, if you guys are ready and you have your charts, we're going to go to our charts. But we do open range breakout. That means we wait for the first 5 minutes. First, before we go to charts, let's write this down. You wait for the first 5 minutes that the market is open. You will draw your line, your trend line. I'm going to show you that. At the top of that candle wick and at the bottom of that candle wick. If it breaks, it has to break and retest. I'm going to show you what that looks like. Oh, I don't know what that is, but that's so cute. I'm going to show you how to do that. It has to break and retest. The stock will come down. It'll go to that line. It'll come down. Then go up. You're like, uh-oh, came down. And I'll show it to you. I can show you better. I'll tell you. So that's what we went. Oh, hey, yeah, what is all this? I don't know what this stuff is. Put my glasses on. But I'm going to figure it out. It's cute, and I like it. So what I want to do, oh, it's a gift. That's nice. What's the gift? Anyway. So we're going to do our open range breakout, 5-minute and 15-minute. I'm going to show you how to do it on your chart. And that's our strategy every day. That's how we make millions in the market. We stick to the same thing. You start with $100. Some people can start with $500, but I don't tell you to start with $5. Oh, sent love. That's so nice. Y'all so sweet. Teach me about live because I don't know about all this, but it's so nice and it just feels warm to my heart because I just really like doing this and I really want to help people and I don't need nothing from it, but it's nice. Okay, cool. So what we're going to do It's now go to our charts so I can show you what an orb looks like and the setup, but you do that every day. We get in here and we wait. Now, if I can flip this screen, we'll be in business because I need my screen flip right now. What? Money? Hold up now. Somebody said this is money. Thank you, Erica. Y'all go now. See, now I'm gonna cry. Hold on. Oh, Lord. I can't make me cry. Y'all don't owe me nothing. Y'all don't owe me nothing. Oh, I feel lame. Oh, God. All those times I'm laughing at people crying. Y'all don't owe me nothing. Oh. Y'all don't owe me a thing, okay? That's all I want to do is change lives. And Erica, y'all know I'm a softie kind of, so. Y'all, that's too much. That's so sweet. Whoever is sending the stuff and maybe somebody can help me, thank y'all for appreciating it. Let me help y'all get rich. Now, it's just because of that. I don't even know what all this stuff is, but let's keep going. If I can keep it, pull it together, Arletta. Thank you so much. It's greatly appreciated. And okay, come on, double tap your screen to flip your camera. Thank you, Yapping Corner. Thank y'all. Take it easy on Arletta. Thank y'all. Appreciate it. Double tap. Okay, let me get ready. They told me to double tap. Okay. That didn't do it. Double tap my screen. It's just doing hearts. Okay, give me a few minutes. Once I figure this out, y'all. Hold on. Oh, there it is. Oh. I'm cooking with gas now. Oh, my God. Thank you, whoever told me to do that. Watchman or whoever. The name went by so fast. Thank y'all. Yay. Okay, so here we go. I did it, right, Donna? I know. Come on, move in. Thank you, Shayla. We in business. Okay, so I did it. I think maybe it was that money motivation. I don't know, but I pay attention real good now. So let's make sure you guys have your chart set up. I couldn't figure it out. That's okay, Shayla. Thank you. Everybody got the charts? Are you on Thinkorswim? Let me know when you get on your charts. Thank you, Donna. Where are you? I'm on Thinkorswim. If you have the chart set up, I'm going to walk you through it. Okay, TradingView is fine. Bailey T, if you're on TradingView, you're fine. I'm still going to teach we're just teaching the strategy. Let me know you guys on there because I'm going to start going. Now, if you're on trading, I'm on Webull, follow along, great. Webull, you guys can follow along. I'm on TradingView, great. Okay, let's go. So the first thing I want to make sure, we're going to set up your chart. Now, we only do 2 indicators. The first thing first, I'm going to do your time frame. So for you guys that are new to Thinkorswim, I want you to click on charts. Click on charts. That's right, Donna. They're all the same. Click on charts. Once you click on charts, I want you to go ahead and type in SPY. Got it? Once you type and click SPY, we're going to now adjust your time frame. You go right over here. Got it? That's right. SPY is my girl. I've been rocking with SPY 3 years. SPY has not led me wrong. Click on your time frame, and the bar, it'll drop down like this. Y'all have got me so nervous a little bit, and I'm not ever nervous, but it's just so sweet. Okay, so now we got it. You got the drop down bar. Let's adjust this. Let's switch our time frame to 1 day, 1 minute. She is volatile, and I love her. And once you learn this strategy, you're going to go in and get your money every day. You're going to like it. Oh, yeah, the cues are always good. I'm telling you, I do both. Wait a minute. My live will end in 4 minutes. Y'all didn't tell me about that. Can I? Okay, I have to come back. Okay, so when the live ends, guys, I'm going to jump right back on here because I got to show you all this and then I'll let you go. Is that okay? Everybody okay with that? I need to show you how to draw your trend lines and what it looks like. We good with that? Okay, cool. All right, come on. So now we got 4 minutes. So we want to switch your time frame to 1 day, 1 minute. Your chart is on a blank screen. In the middle of your blank screen, there's a line that says it should be blank. Matter of fact, if you can screenshot it and send it, DM me it. But you can click on that screen right in the middle. It allow you to pull up your charts. No, we're done. We're done paper trading. You should. So you're in TradingView. That's fine. Yeah, your chart's not gonna look like mine. I have a TradingView account. I can switch over to TradingView too. But right now we're all on Thinkorswim. So with your TradingView, you just go up and go to your time frame in TradingView. I think it's at the bottom of your screen on TradingView, your time frame. We want to be on the 1 minute, 1 day, and then we want to switch. Once you get that, click off your screen. I want you to go up here to the top right of this screen. Click this box right here. This box is going to look just like that. I want you to click 1 and 2. Once you click that, you'll have a double screen. You'll have a double screen. You see that? It'll look like this. This will be your 1 minute chart and your 15 minute. And mine is reversed. So this is my 15. This is my 1. So the same way we did the 1 minute, 1 day, I want you guys to now make this one 1 day, 15 minutes. If you don't have it, we're going to hit customize, add time frame, click intraday. Yeah, you're in Thinkorswim. Valencia, that's where you need to be. Click intraday. You'll come down here. You want the, let me click my intraday, sorry. There your 1 day, and you'll click 15 minutes. Right here is the drop down. There you go. And you'll click 1 day, 15 minutes. You'll click add, apply, and okay. And that should set your chart. So you'll have a 15 minute and a 1 minute. Those are the time frames. But yes, we need, you can do a 5 as well. Don't worry about it. You need the 1 minute, Ashley. Matter of fact, now for you, Ashley, you want 3 charts up. You want a 1 minute, 5 minute, and a 15. You always enter your position, I do, either on a 1 minute or a 2 minute time frame, whichever one you're comfortable with. But once I teach you this strategy, you go with that, okay? You guys got that? Perfect. 3 is fine. You could do a 1 minute, 5 minute, 15, or you can just do the 1 minute and the 15. Either way. Oh, I'm gonna look, new season for me. I'm gonna redo this over and over and over. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I told y'all we're going kind of fast, but tomorrow I'm gonna do the same thing. We're gonna go over it. I'm gonna add more. So we'll go through this and I'll add more. In the morning at 10:30, if you want to get in the market live, come into the live. We'll do the same thing and I'll be a little bit better. Thank you, Chase, for the support too. I'll be a little bit better. Same time. Yes, Panda. Yes, thank you, Lynn. You're welcome. I appreciate you guys so much. Okay, so let me know you got your charts. Oh, Lyanne, that's nice. Hey, thanks, Caroline. Tanker, you're fine. I appreciate you. Okay, let me know when you got it so we can move on and get these, get your indicators set up. So I want you to look before the live, and you got it? Okay, before this live ends, let you guys look at this 15-minute chart. All right, for today. And if you need to, you can minimize and maximize your charts right here. Go small, like that. Or you can go, increase it. So do you see this is the black area would be considered the live market. The gray area is the pre-market. Remember that. So when I tell you to get the pre-market high and pre-market low, you will get the gray area of the chart. Okay, so for example, this would be the pre-market, because right now the market's closed. All of this back here, this is the pre-market, gray, gray, gray. And then in the black would be the live market. So the high of today was 626.87. The low of today is the lowest wick. Yes, TradingView is fine. You can do TradingView. I don't know why I have a time limit. And I know I've seen people go for hours on this thing. It just told me I had 4 minutes. But it did make me put a little puzzle thing together, so maybe that added my time. I don't know. So maybe it won't end. Anyway, we're going to keep rolling until it kicks me off. So you get it? The black area is the live market. The gray area is the pre-market. So when I tell you I need you to get the pre-market of the pre-market high and the pre-market low, that would be the gray. No, TradingView you can't trade. You can chart, but you can't trade. You have to link an account. An account has to be like, I think Webull, you can link it. Interactive Brokers you can link, and a few more. So you have to have another account to link with TradingView. But I do like TradingView as well. Okay, so now that you have that, this is what I want you to pay attention to. You see these lines? Now don't laugh at my line now. I told y'all I know how to make money. Some stuff I ain't good at. And I'm usually talking. I was on the phone with somebody. Chase, you remember how I was doing with you? Or you want to draw a line at the first 15-minute candle. This is the orb. This red candle right here represents the first 15 minutes of the market being open. You come right here and you draw your line at the top and you draw your line at the bottom. We're going to do trend lines in a second. You want to wait for the breakout, 50% above this line or 50% below. What did it do today? What did it do today? Look, up, gone. So once you saw this, the first 15 minutes, second 15 minutes, now you're 30 minutes in. The next 15 minutes, now you're 45 minutes in. Then now you're an hour in. And now you're an hour and 15. So you had to wait an hour and 15 minutes for this play to work. But when it worked, look what it did. I am on my laptop with Thinkorswim. It broke all the way out. You just need this candle to break You need this candle to break 50% above this line or break 50% below. That is your confirmation to get in a play. And you would get in a call or put. What we do right here, call or put. TradingView has an orb. Yeah, TradingView does have an orb indicator. TradingView is good. TradingView is good, guys. That's right, Bailey. Call. Exactly. So let's go back to Robinhood. You got, yes, that's right. Come on, y'all. Come on. That's right. That's right. So what would happen? Oh, no, there's no retest. No, this is the 15-minute chart. The retest, see, this, you want to wait till it gets 50% above here. That is a clear indicator that it's ready to break out. And you know how we're going to test that? We're going to test it. Let's go to our 1-minute chart. So right here, this is right about 10, you'll say 10:30, 10:45. So I'm going to go to my 1-minute chart. All right, watch this. Watch this. This makes it good. Oh, and I'm going to teach y'all how to back test too. I'm going to teach y'all a lot. You hang with me. I'm going to teach y'all a lot about this market and how to make money. And it's not just for day trading. It's for investing. So if you want to buy stocks, I can tell you how to buy the stock. You're going to know how and when to buy the stock. I'm going to teach you about pullbacks, how to get in a trade on a pullback and ride it up. I'll show y'all a lot of stuff. If you want to hang in here, I don't mind doing it. So this is the 1-minute chart. We're going to go to this time frame. The times at the bottom, tell you where they are. We're on Eastern Standard Time. So right here, that breakout was at 10:30 and 10:40, right, y'all? So I'm going to maximize this. So right here, 10:40. There we go. So right here is right at about 10:40. And look, this is a clear breakout. It broke right here above that line. This is your trend line. Right here at 10. That's 10:39. It's 10:39. And I'm going to teach you about engulfing candles. We'll do engulfing tomorrow. We'll do engulfing candles tomorrow. So TikTok. What to do? So to remember to, oh yes, this is for, you all right with me, Luana. This is for educational purposes only. Educational purposes only. This is what I do. I am not a financial advisor. I do not professional. This is just what I do for fun. Thank you so much. Appreciate that, girl. Thanks for looking out for me. And this is not financial advice. I need to lead with that, don't I? This is not financial advice. This is just something that I do, what works for me. And if you want to know exactly, you may need to contact a financial advisor. That sound good, y'all? Yapping Corner, that's right. Y'all look, I love y'all. Y'all better look out for me. Because you see, I don't know this stuff. I've just been sitting at home making my money. Okay. Can I put the text? I don't know. Can I put text on the screen too? Teach me some stuff. Please get me. I got Zoom. I can do Zoom. You all rather do Zoom than go live? Thank you so much. If you rather do Zoom than live, now you let me know. That's something totally different. So you want Zoom, Lord? Everybody keep telling me to do live. Okay, can we discuss this later? We're gonna come back to this. Zoom. Yeah, I do Zoom for my clients, but I just didn't know that. Yeah, Zoom is time. Okay, all right. Okay, so we'll who said do both? I'm gonna do both. Yep, I can do both. Okay, somebody said like what? We're gonna discuss this, y'all. Let's get in a huddle later. Who taught me? I was self-taught. Took me 2 years to learn, and I went through a bunch of classes, spent a lot of money, and still didn't know a lot of stuff. Okay, so here we are. Now this is our perfect time to enter right here at 10:45. Right in here. Right here. This is where you would have gotten this play. And see how it took off? It just took right on off. And you don't even need to ride it this far. You only need 5%. You guys, 5% is only 2 or 3 candles. Okay. I know why you don't have the gray area too, Houston Realtor. I can tell you why you don't have the gray area. We'll talk about it. I got you. Y'all know, some of y'all have my phone number already. You know, I'll talk to you in the mornings. I'm available in the mornings if y'all want to text me between 8 and 9 o'clock. And then, of course, I go live, and then you can hit me after lunchtime. All right? I told y'all I got y'all. Okay, so let's go ahead and draw these trend lines. Let's get this in here. So first things first, we got our time frame. Now let's go up here and do our trend lines. What am I using? You're welcome. You guys are welcome. This is the trend line right here. It says drawing tool. Click on it. Click down to drawing tools. Got it? I'm in Eastern Standard Time Zone. No. I use a 15-minute chart to determine if I'm ready to enter this play, and I go down to the 1 minute or 2 minute chart to make my move. I'm on Thinkorswim platform right now, and we use Robinhood for trading and teaching. Okay, so let's draw a trend line. Go to drawing tools, click on trend line. Got that? If you just click on that line right there, it's going to show you a little pencil. You got the pencil? Once you see the pencil, here you go. You can draw and just click. And see the double zero lets you know you're even. And you just kind of scroll over like that. Now you see I'm not good at it. 0.8, it needs to be at 000, but okay, whatever. Here you go. And there's your line. And then you do the same thing, the bottom of the candle. You do that at the first 5-minute candle and the first 15-minute. It's easier to just put it on a 5-minute time, your time frame. And as soon as that one candle develops, you draw a line at the top, and then you do the same thing with the 15-minute. Yes, thanks, Max Capital. Oh, Linda, I'm on. It's no problem. I'm on Thinkorswim. It's powered by Charles Schwab. That's the chart. You also can use. Some people are using TradingView. Okay, so now we have our trend lines going. You got that? Everybody know it? You got your trend line? If not, we're going to go over this tomorrow. No problem. Next, let's add our indicators. What is he doing? Erica, can you text Trent and tell him to stop texting me? Okay, so let's go here and add our indicators. We're right here. It says Analysis Tools. I am from Macon, Georgia. I live in Atlanta. I'm 55 years old. Learned how to day trade. Made $1.3 million and then added another to it, and it was 1.6 million. Husband, this is somebody asking about me. Husband lost 832 and then lost another 100 and after that chasing because I was about to divorce him. And took us 6 months to start back winning because I was mad with him. And then we had to learn how to make money all over again. And I did that. His ego flew up. I taught him how to day trade, retired him. And then he turned into a greedy monster with money. And he's sweet as he can be, but I was ready to leave him. That's baby a story time. Oh, you live an hour from Macon? Oh, okay, great. You're by me. Oh, the accent. Okay. Tell me when you guys get here so we can click on this. Once you do that, go to Quick Study. Once you're on Quick Studies, I want you to go to Moving Averages. Thanks, Pax. Once you go to Moving Averages, I want you to come down here and go all the way to Moving Average Exponential. I trade cornflakes, trade S&P 500 and QQQ. How do you get in class? I teach here every day, 5 days a week, free. We do in person. If you're in Atlanta area, we do in live training. Only 9. I can't say that. We do live training. I'll DM you. Is it better to trade on Robinhood? Yes, for me. And I use Fob just for charts. You got it? Click on Moving Average Exponential. Tell me when you got that. Once you click on Moving Average, once you click on Moving Average Exponential, you should have a line on your chart. Got it? You're going to have 2 lines on your chart, a blue line and a purple line. Once you do that, do it again. Yeah, it's free every day, Marla. Yeah, I'm just here just to help people that want to get it. You should only have one. That's right. We're going to add the next one. Let me know. You all got the one? Let me go back and add mine. Okay. Now we're going to add the VWAP. So now you're going to go into Edit Studies. Same place. Instead of Quick Study, you're going to go to Edit Studies. And when you get to Edit Studies, I want you to type right here in this box, VWAP. Got it? Once you type VWAP, WAP. Add selected. Got it? And then it's going to appear right here. And once you hit add selected, come right over here to your settings wheel. Click on upper band. Once you click on upper band, thanks. I want you to deselect show plot and then deselect show title. Got it? Click OK. Click apply. Okay. It's going to look crazy like that. No problem. You're going to go back in here. You're going to go back to Edit Studies. And now you're going to go right on back over here to VWAP. And then you're going to click lower band. And you're going to do the same thing. Deselect and deselect. Okay. Apply. And okay. And now you should have 2 lines only, the blue and the purple. And if you didn't catch it, we'll go back through it again tomorrow. Remember, just meet me here every day, 10:30 Eastern Standard. Thanks, Erica. Thanks, Erica. I appreciate that. So you guys got it? Once you get it, let me know you have it. Okay, no, the iPad will drive you crazy. That's why I tell people desktop, laptop, if you can. Trying to draw the lines with that iPad, it can be a lot. You want to get experience first before you start doing that. So I am on the 1 minute time frame right here, and I am on the 15-minute time frame right here. I do have a YouTube. I just don't post. Yes, I do. And I need to start sharing these live to the YouTube. Just give me about a week and I'll have about probably 10 classes on that YouTube teaching you how to, so you guys can go and study. And I also refer you to people that are doing this on a high level as well. I don't gatekeep. It's some good people out here. Okay. And I hope they don't get me for saying you, child. Have to be careful on this live. Have to be real careful. Okay. So Oh, that's so nice. Thank you, Her Excellency. Okay, guys, you got it now? So you should have 2 lines on your chart, and that would be the EMA and the VWAP. Now, let me tell you a secret. When this EMA and VWAP cross over, that is price action. And let me show you where they cross. This is a 1-minute chart. Right here, they crossed over, and this was at 9:33 this morning. 9:33 this morning, this crossed over, right? And usually that means it's in a downward trend. It's going to go down, and look what it did. Went down, went down, went down, went down. We had to ride that rocky road, but it did go down. That's just a tip. It crossed over again right here. Crossed over, and it went up. Crossed over again right here. After it crossed over, you look for 2 consecutive candles. So once you saw 2 green candles, it's going up, and it just went on up. Went on up. So you would have made money from your call right there. You get it? Oh, I'm on the EMA 9. I'm on the EMA 9. You're welcome. She's fully loaded. I don't mind. I just like people that if you want to learn, you got me. I want you to be serious. Hi, this is options. Options. Futures is where my husband lost that $832,000. Just to let y'all know that. But yeah, so now we got that. That is another little tip. Another tip with this EMA, it is like your guide, okay? Anytime you see this blue line, if you have candles below the blue line, that is a put. If you see candles above the blue line, that is a call. That is a confluence. I'm going to teach you all. That's okay. Don't worry about it. We'll get your chart together. My ancestor's favorite. We'll get your charts together. No, I don't trade with Webull, but I know a lot of people that do. Webull is good. Webull is actually great. But let me tell you about this. Remember, write this down. This blue line right here. You see? Look at the green candles. As long as 2 red candles do not fall below this blue line, you can stay in a put. This is for educational purposes only, guys. I am not a professional. Oh, I tell you how to do it. Niece Stokes, I come here every day teaching so you can learn. Here free, 5 days a week. If you just want personal one, I can DM you. I'll repeat, Donna. That's no problem. So again, the EMA is your guide. When you get in trades, guys, I'm going to teach you. I need you to have 3 confluences or more. And this is called A+ setups. The orb is an A+ setup. The 5-minute orb and the 15-minute orb is A+ setup. I'm going to show you the break and retest. We'll go over that tomorrow. But I want you to give you key points tonight. Right now, this EMA that you're looking at, this blue line, as long as these candles stay above the blue line, you're fine. You get out of your play. Now, this is later on when you guys are playing, 8, 9 months down the road. Right now, I want you to get 5% and get out. But I'm teaching you game right here. You can stay in this play until it falls 2 red candles below the EMA. Look how long it took. So let's look at how long this is rolled up. It rolled up. So we're looking at, it's 10:23. 10:23 all the way to right here. 12:05. So that means that play ran almost 2 hours in an upward trend. You gotta go. Somebody get them out of here. It's about to purge. Okay. Oh, you get started by showing up here. Just show up here Monday through Friday. I go live 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard and 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard. All right, so you guys got it? That is another tip. So confluences is when 3 or more things make sense for you to get in the trade. Number 1, what made you get in at 10:23? Perfect. This right here. I sat here and waited. I drew my 15-minute orb trend line, and I waited for a candle to break 50% above this line or 50% below. Once it broke 50% below, and I saw that, I said, let me go to my 1-minute chart and look for an entry. So right here, this is right at 10:30, 10:45. So at 10:30, I go over here to the 1-minute chart. Now I'm looking. So I already got one confluence right here, right? You see that? That's one confluence. My second confluence is, oh, the VWAP in EMA just crossed over right here. That is my second confluence. Now I'm like, okay, this is about to go. Now, once I see 2 candles or more above the blue line, 2 or more consecutive candles above or 2 or more below, now I'll tell you what that means. 50%. Well, it's time for me to go. So I get in it. I get into play, and right here it pulled back. No problem. We're not worried about one red candle. You know you're in the right position. So it went up and it pulled back again. No problem. It was still making higher highs, going up, 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 and then it shot up. But for us to get 5%, once we enter right here, we're out this play right in here. So we're out of the play in, I think, 4 minutes. That was a 4-minute run. It was a 4-minute run. This is what made me determined to get in this play. Are y'all clear? Does this make a little sense, or is it confusing? You're waiting for the candles to break. That's all you're waiting for. Let me see if I can see another one from yesterday. Like this was yesterday's chart. You're waiting for the candle to break. Here it broke 50% below. So you just think what 50% is. You see what a full candle, measure what 50% of that candle will look like. So right in here, you could have gotten into your put and just got your money and got out. Don't worry about all that. Don't overcomplicate this. Don't overcomplicate this. Sometimes I do. I make big trades. Yeah, sometimes I do 3 contracts. I do a $100 contract, a $500 contract, and I leverage $8,000 to $15,000 every day. That's right. The rule of the play is being disciplined. You're doing $100 on every trade. I wait. No, I'm not scalping. We're intraday trading. Intraday trading. You trade on purpose. You trade with a plan. You know why you're getting in a play and why you're getting out. You're getting in the play based on confluences. You're getting in the play based on the orb breakout. You're waiting for the orb to break out like here or below. You get your 5%, you get out. If it goes against you, this is also an A+ setup. If it goes against you, you get out at negative 2.5%. No, I'm going to create one. Tyler, I'm going to create that. Tyler wants a video of us setting up the charts. I think that would be smart. Discipline is, you need discipline. This is all about discipline right here. No one on this live is going to make $1 million without being disciplined. You're not going to do it. Or you can make it. You're going to lose it though. So if you want to move slow and steady, I do 1 trade a day. Every blue moon, I might do 2. And it's rare that I do 2 trades, but I do 1 and done. If you wait for an A+ setup, you can do 1 trade a day. And you only need 5%. How are you using the pre-market? Yeah, pre-market. Yeah, the pre-market high and pre-market low helps to determine the level where the market is going to go that day. So if the stock breaks pre-market high and pre-market, yesterday's high, we know it's in an uptrend. It did that today. If it breaks pre-market low and yesterday's low, we're in a downtrend. I'm trading SPY. So y'all got it. I know we've been going a minute now. It's been kind of long, almost an hour and a half. I don't want to overload you with too much because I'll be back tomorrow. So tomorrow we'll focus on the indicators again. We'll do pre-market high and pre-market. I got back testing for you. Pre-market high, pre-market low. Journaling. It's important to journal. No, I don't use MACD. Yeah, I do. I like pre-market high and pre-market low. Oh, I'll do the info. Thank you so much, Max. Thank you. I want you guys to be here tomorrow because this is class. We're actually doing class. I'm so lame. That's so nice. I'm definitely gonna cry after I get off this live. What time? What do you mean what time? Pre-market high and pre-market low, I can go with that. Sure. Anybody else have any questions? Because I just want to make sure we got a basic information. Pre-market high and pre-market low. Let me show that to you real quick. Let me reduce this. Get smaller right here. Okay. I get mine on my 15-minute chart. So I go to my 15 in the mornings. Do y'all want me to show you how to set your mornings up, or we do that tomorrow? You wake up in the morning. Okay, thanks for the DMs. Thanks, Max. Good evening, everybody's cool. Pre-market high, pre-market low. Yeah, be back in the morning. Be back, definitely. Be back. Got a lot. We're gonna re up. Okay, great. Pre-market high and pre-market low. This is the live market when it's in black. You get the candle. You go to the very top of this wick. These are wicks. These skinny lines right here on the candle. This is the wick. In the middle is the body, okay? You go to the top of that wick and get your high. And it gave it to you right here. And then your low. This would be right now, this would be yesterday's high and low. And then we'll get the pre-market. The pre-market is the gray area, high and low. And you want to get those in the morning at 9 a.m., 9:15. So between 9 a.m. and 9:15, I want you to get your pre-market high, pre-market low. Pre-market starts at 4 a.m. Eastern time, Eastern Standard, to 9 till the market opens at 9:30. That is your pre-market high and pre-market low. Yesterday's high and yesterday's low will be what the high and low was for the previous day. Yeah, Robinhood. Robinhood. Yes, this is options trading. What software? I'm just on Thinkorswim, powered by Charles Schwab. That's what you need to get in the morning. So in the mornings, I come in the market. You get ready for you guys, just start at 9 o'clock. Okay, you get your pre-market high, pre-market low, write that down. Yesterday's high, yesterday's low, write that down. Write the current price of the stock at the moment. So about 9:20, 9:25, whatever SPY is, I want you to write that down too. And then I want you to wait. Yes, you should do options. Thank you, Sleepy Time. Yes. I'll tell you about that later, Razorback. I know about that. I can DM you that. Okay. Once you get that, you wait. The market opens. You don't rush it. The first 5 minutes, guess what I want you to do? Draw a line, trend line at the top of that 5-minute candle, the highest candle, and a line at the lowest of that 5-minute candle. All right? Once you do that, you wait. And you're going to wait for a break. And I'm going to show you. Look, I'll show you tomorrow what that looks like. You wait for a break and retest. I'll explain break and... So we're going to go over break and retest tomorrow. Let me write this down. Break and retest. We're going to go over our levels, pre-market high and low. And then we're going to confluences. All right. And then we're going to do our entry and exit, okay? That's tomorrow. We're on a 1 minute, 5 minute, and 15-minute time frame. Okay. So once you do that, guys, you wait for that candle to break out 50% above or 50% below. If it doesn't, now you go on to the 15-minute. And if it doesn't break out, then you just wait. If you don't see a breakout within the first 7 candles on the 15-minute chart, then I need you to close your laptop. No play for that day. That means the market is choppy. Don't even worry about it. We focus from 9:30 to 11:30. 9:30 until I come on at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard. Got it? It's going to be fun. Whoever can join tomorrow morning, that should be good. And if you have questions, then in the evening, we'll go over the paper trading. We'll go over how to enter and exit, the plays, things like that. And then strategy. Can you say that name again? Oh, the trading time, 9:30 to 11:30. Yeah, it's going to be cheap. We do out of the money contracts. Oh, that's okay. I help you get clear on the terminology. No, you can trade anytime you like. Our time, because again, this is for educational purposes, and I'm not a professional advisor, but I trade between 9:30 a.m. and 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard. Thank you, Marla. Thank you, Marla. The 7-candle rule for me with the orb, that means the market is choppy and it hasn't decided which way it wants to go. And a lot of times if the market is choppy, you can get in a bad trade. We like the market to give us a clear direction. That's called A plus setup. Okay. Well, guys, I think I'm going to wrap it up and end it here because we've covered a lot. I hope I was able to help you guys today. Yes, if you don't see it, don't trade it. I do count. I sure do. I count to 7, and it's normally by 11:15, 11:30. By 11:30, if I don't see a breakout, I just go on about my business and water my plants and flowers and go to lunch and wait for the next day. I'm glad you guys learned a lot. I am so happy, and thanks for all the love, green candles. We covered that earlier. We'll go back over it. Yes, if it goes up or down, that's right. We call that a breakthrough. We just wait for a breakthrough. Time frame is 15-minute time frame, 5-minute time frame, and 1-minute time frame. Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you. That's all I'm trying to do is pay it forward. And there's a lot of people out here scamming people and doing the most. I got the money. I can help other people. Thank you. You're welcome. I appreciate y'all. Now, y'all know I got to go cry. No, I'm telling y'all, I'm a big baby. I got to go cry, and I got to tell him to call my husband, and he's going to be like, girl, thank y'all so much. I'm definitely crying. So just know that. But I'll be back tomorrow morning. We'll be here at 10:30. Hey, that's so cute, that little stuff popping up. Y'all got to keep me, in the know with this stuff. I don't know what all this stuff is, but it's nice to see. It's so nice to see. You're welcome, guys. I really appreciate you. I just want moving averages. We have the move. We got all that. We're going to cover that again. Oh, don't cry. I'm going to try. I'm going to do it. I'm just telling you, I'm going to do it. The platform is Thinkorswim, and we do Robinhood. So is it okay if I see you all tomorrow? You can get my number. Just DM me. I'll give you my number. And you can text me in the morning. Thanks, real deal. I got you. I'm going to give you some videos. All right. So you guys, if you want me, you can DM me your info and just let me know who you are, that you were on the live, and then I'll see you my phone number. And then don't drive me crazy on the number because I block you. But I do want you to just, have access. And then once you guys make it through me, then you can get to Coach Trent. But I don't want to introduce my husband, and he's so serious. He's a retired Marine, so he don't have time for it. He only wants serious people. So he is an excellent coach, though. And so one day you'll see him on one of these lives, but right now he's not with it. What time tomorrow? 10:30 a.m. and 7:30 p.m. Good night, guys. I appreciate you. I enjoyed helping you guys, and I hope you learned a lot. And this is just the beginning. DM you, but don't ask for your number. Oh, I won't ask for my number. Tell me what to do. Okay. Thank y'all. Help me so I won't get in trouble again, because I don't know this stuff over here. So whatever I don't need to say, tell me, and we'll go from there, because I don't know. I appreciate you so much. See you guys tomorrow morning at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard, and then back here tomorrow for our next lesson at 7:30 p.m. Okay? All right, bye, guys. Thanks for the love. Appreciate you.